So in this video, we'll see how we can add buy now button in product or shop page of your WooCommerce. You click on it, it will directly redirect you to checkout page. That's the buy now button functionality. Or even we can replace the add to cart button with buy now. So we'll see both. Going to admin dashboard of WordPress as a admin. Now what I need to do, I will add a plugin through which we will add buy now button for your product in WooCommerce. We just need to add the plugin and then need to set up. So go on plugins, click on add new. Here just search for buy now. Click on install now. Buy now button is used to make checkout process faster and easier. It will remove one step from the whole process. Now here, after enabling this, after installing the plugin, go to WooCommerce, click on setting. Here you can see buy now button. Now enable buy now button in single product, or you also want to enable in short shop page. If you want to enable in both, just checkbox it. Otherwise leave it. Where you want to place it, before or after add to cart, button position of same. Redirect. If click on someone, click on buy now, it will redirect to checkout page. That buy now button text default shop quantity. If you want to clear the cart when someone click on buy now, you can check boxes. If you want to disable for a specific product category or product type, you need to buy the pro version and then you will only able to do it. And if you want to hide add to cart and show only buy now button, you can hide using custom CSS. You don't need to update it for. Now I have saved it. I will go to my website, open any product. Here you can see, now I can see buy now button. And when I click on it, it redirects me to checkout page. Now, if you want to hide add to cart button, you don't need to buy pro version. You can just click on customize and go on additional CSS. Click on it, inspect. You need to find the name. So here you see name is add to cart. Now go here, click on go here, and I will update the name as per the name in your see button. And after that, click on it, display none, and import. Here you see now buy now button is hidden. Sorry, add to cart button is hidden. You can see only buy now button. So that's why you can hide add to cart button and replace it with buy now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.